I think he was telling me earlier you're the first full-blooded fighter from Kyrgyzstan.
He made history today. Yeah, he's the first Kyrgyz full-blooded, and we made history when the president called us a few days ago and talked to us. So we're probably going to get another call right now from the president of Kyrgyzstan.
The president of Kyrgyzstan called you.
Yeah, he called us a few days ago, and now he's going to call us soon again to congratulate him.
What did the president say to you?
Nothing yet. We're waiting for his call right now. But a few days ago, he was congratulating us on getting a fight in the UFC. Because there's so many fighters in Kyrgyzstan, so good fighters, you know. And finally, we have one in the UFC that is full-blooded.
Я попасть это первый крупный кыргыз, альхамдулилля, выставочный мне дал сегодня победа. Бардык кыргыз элиме чоң рахмат, сиздердин колдооңуздар менен ушу жеңишке жетип отурам. Жана ошондой эле биздин ажообуз, президентибиз Садыр Нуркожоевич, сизге чоң рахмат. Ар дайым спортсмендер колдоп келесиздер. Кудай кааласа бардык алдыда бул башталышы гана.
Yeah, I'm the first Kyrgyz full-blooded fighter in the UFC. The rest is speaking Kyrgyz. I don't speak Kyrgyz. But his fans will understand it.
Первый попасть крупный кыргыз.
Sure. Now, obviously, we're going to see you back at 155 pounds, but I just want to know, now that you've gotten to the UFC, you're in the Apex, have you had a chance to sit down and kind of realize what you've just done?
Был шанс понять, что произошло сейчас.
Да, конечно. Все получилось сегодня. Сегодня следующий бой 70 килограмм. У меня 3 боя контракт. Следующий бой я готов 70 килограмм. После этого года.
Yes, of course. I realized what happened. I was ready for it, and I'm ready for it. Now my next fight is going to be at 155. You're going to see way more than that.
Mixabeka Roboy, listen, I told you guys to watch out for this guy. Do you want to say anything else, brother?
Сказать что-то еще?
Thank you, Dana, Sean Shelby. Thank you very much. Сегодня все получилось. Следующий бой еще покажем красивый и зрелищный бой. Thank you, guys.
Let's go. Sean, Dana, thank you so much, guys. Today everything happened for me. It was a good fight. This is just a beginning for me, and you're going to see way more than that.
That's awesome. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you.